Hi friends, I'm Gina with Country Family Values and I'm glad you're here. Today we're doing sides for the holidays. Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, so let's do it. Okay, so I've got the saute on and I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 3/4 cup of orange juice. This is 100% orange juice. It's not got any added sugar. And 4 cups of carrots. I'm using baby carrots, but you can use regular carrots. Just make sure you have about 4 cups of them. Put it in the sealing position and press the manual or pressure cook button for 4 minutes. It's that easy. So the timer's gone off and I've let them rest for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to finish releasing that, and then I'm going to sample it. It smells so good. So for the green beans, I have 2 pounds of fresh green beans here that I've washed and gotten prepared. But I'm going to start with turning on the saute, putting in 2 tablespoons of butter. I've chopped up a a medium onion, I guess. It's made about a cup, and I've diced that up. To get that to where I like it, I use about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Now I'm going to turn off the saute. I am going to add 1 beef bouillon and a cup of water, a teaspoon of salt, and a grind or 2 black peppers, just to taste. I'm going to add the green beans. Make sure the lid's in the sealing position and set it for 5 minutes. That's it. So the timer's gone off and I've released this and the pin is dropped. For cranberry sauce, I have a 12-ounce bag that I'm using of fresh cranberries, but you can use fresh or frozen. It's just, washing and rinsing them really well, so that's what I've done. I have 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of orange juice, make sure it's in the sealing position and set it for 2 minutes. So this is for mashed potatoes. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a chicken bouillon, 1 cup of water, and I'm using a steamer basket, mostly just because I think it makes it easier to pull the potatoes out. And I have a little over 4 cups of potatoes chopped up into about 1-inch pieces. If you're having a big gathering, you may want to use more potatoes. Okay, make sure the lid is in the sealing position. Press your manual or your pressure cook button and put it on for 10 minutes. That's it. So the timer's gone off and I've released the pressure already. Okay, so you can put in your desired amount of butter. I'm going to start with a couple of tablespoons and see how that goes. Usually like about a teaspoon of salt. Now you can add some of this broth here if you want. Sometimes I like to do that because it goes really well with chicken dishes or turkey, you know, or you can just use milk.